If you're doing it like this, so we're not using a clever algorithm to sift through data. So one of my friends builds predictive data set algorithms for companies like Samsung. Okay, I'm assuming that you don't have this. This is something that you do a bit more on the fly. How do you make sure you don't create information overload? I think a couple of things. One is to be a bit more selective with where you find your data. It's very easy to get overloaded if everybody's looking into the same reports. You just keep getting the same things that pop up. There's also a benefit to that one, because if similar messages pop up, there might be some truth in that one. I think it is more about, when I say it at my point 3 over here, if you do it frequently, it's doing it quite quickly, mapping some of these data points out, and then jumping into, so what does that mean for us? Rather than thinking, do we have enough data? One of the biggest challenges, which I've worked with lots of kind of Fortune 500 business, is that they want too much data. And so they just overanalyze, and they go, we need to have more surveys, more research, more data to prove that we should invest in this innovation. And what sometimes happens is they also get this overload where they can't really make a good decision anymore. So the way to avoid it is not to wait until you've got all the data, is to get into the habit of doing these things frequently and sifting through data by using a simple graph like that, the one I mentioned before. Because there'll be lots of data out there. A lot of stuff is just not interesting. If somebody tells me, we've done a survey in Southeast Asia, we figured out that women in Southeast Asia prefer vanilla ice cream over chocolate, I'll go, that's cool. What does it have to do with me? It has nothing to do with me. So getting a bit better at making sure that you're getting you're getting some data, but then playing with it, like wrestling with it quicker before, before really thinking that you have to have all the data available.